Nestled among the beauty of cobblestone alleyways, an imposing castle and rolling green hills is a slice of authentic Greece. In this video we're stepping into the heart of Molyvos and into one of its best known and most loved accommodations, a place of charming rooms, welcoming hospitality and tranquil pools. So settle in and join me, Jetaway Joe, as we explore the Eriphilly Hotel in all of its warm Greek island glow. The Eriphilly is located in the picturesque village of Molyvos that sits on the north coast of Lesvos. Molyvos is one of Lesvos' main tourism hotspots, but it still retains the authenticity and character that one would expect from a traditional Greek fishing village. The Eriphilly is located inland on the road between Molyvos and nearby Efdaru beach. Surrounded by olive groves, rolling hills and farmland, it's pure rural Greece. The Eriphilly is around 1.5 kilometres from Molyvos village itself, a walk that will take around 20 to 30 minutes. The walk is mostly flat and apart from a 100 metre section or so, has pavements at the side of the road, making it a fairly safe walk too. So I'm staying at the Eriphilly Studios in Molyvos. Let's go take a look at my studio, which is room 11. Room 11 is on the ground floor and is accessed by going down a couple of steps. There's a cute little outdoor terrace area with a table, 2 chairs and a line and pegs for hanging towels and swimwear. So stepping into the room and it screams Greece in here. Like, this is proper traditional Greek bed and breakfast accommodation. So this is a studio. We've got the all important air conditioning, which isn't on at the moment, but I think I'm gonna need to put it on. It's August, it's about 33 degrees outside, so I'm definitely gonna need the AC. And then what we've got is twin beds, decent size, nice, clean, crisp white linen. And it's worth noting in Greece, twin beds are really common. It's quite rare that you get double beds, especially in 2 to 3 star rated accommodation. Each bed has a set of bedside drawers, and then there's just a little dressing table here as well, and a mirror. Moving around, we've got the wardrobe, which has space for hanging clothes. I've also been able to store my suitcase in here, and then there is a couple of drawers at the bottom as well. There is a flat screen TV. Doubt I'll get any English channels, but we'll have a look. And then into the kitchenette area, which is very, very small. This is tight. I'm not going to be doing any cooking though, that's why I've booked bed and breakfast. But there is a fridge, all important, especially for keeping water. You can't drink the tap water in Greece, so it's going to be bottled water, so that'll keep your drinks cool. There is a kettle, and then there also is a separate coffee machine as well. And then there is a couple of glasses, some plates, some bowls, and some utensils as well, but not that many. I think you'd struggle to cook a meal in this kitchen other than sandwiches. We come to the bathroom, which is very traditionally Greek. Tiny bathroom, so this is probably as far as I'm gonna get in there to show you, but we've got toilet, shower, old school shower curtain, and a sink as well. All in all, decent, simple, traditional Greek accommodation. So let's go see the rest of the hotel. But first, let's do the bed test. Oh yeah, surprisingly, very comfy. The Eriphilly is a block within a larger family-owned complex, which also includes the Meraki Time to Smile apartments that are operated by TUI Netherlands. If you hire a car to explore the island, which I highly recommend that you do to make the most of your time in Lesvos, There is plenty of parking available at the property. As for facilities, at the side of the Eriphilly, you'll find a peaceful outdoor pool that has a small children's section, as well as plenty of sunbeds, parasols, tables and chairs, and more importantly, easy access to the bar. This is a real sun trap and the sun stays here well into the early evening. And if you're travelling with kids, then no problem. There's a small playground at the side of this pool too. Over on the Meraki side of the complex is a huge 40-metre long infinity pool. This is a lagoon style pool and it also has a small paddling section for kids. This pool is flanked by gardens and a terrace with sunbeds and barley beds. It also boasts pretty fantastic views up to the castle as well. The size of the pool just made this ideal for swimming lengths in. So it's very, very quiet. I actually have the pool all to myself. Both pool areas are incredibly quiet and relaxed, surrounded by beautiful olive groves. Between the Meraki and Eriphilly buildings is the bar, breakfast area and reception. So the pool bar is the beating heart of any traditional family-run Greek bed and breakfast hotel, and this is a good one. Snacks throughout the day served until 9 o'clock, and they'll serve up classics like burgers, sandwiches, club sandwiches and really good salads as well. And then you've got a wide selection of beer, wine, spirits, drinks, cocktails all throughout the day and into the night as well. And price wise, you're looking draft beer for a large €5.50, a bottle at €4, and you can get a really decent wine for €3.50 or €4 as well. In addition to that, they do daily specials, so daily home cooked food by the family themselves, and tonight it's moussaka, which I'm looking forward to having actually. I couldn't resist going back later that evening and trying the moussaka. It's a decent moussaka. The bar also stocks some very nice wines from the Peloponnese region of Greece. If you've not tried it, the wine in particular from that area of the Greek mainland really is excellent. Right, I am in bed. This is actually really comfy. Oh, I can tell I'm... Do you know when you can just tell that you're going to sleep well? I'll see you in the morning, bright and early for breakfast. Good night. Good morning. Oh, I slept incredibly well, like so well. And it was really nice and quiet last night too. But yeah, let's get up, let's make a cup of coffee, and then let's go have some breakfast. I'm pretty hungry actually. Breakfast is served buffet style in a room at the back of the bar, and there's seating inside or on the terrace outside. The breakfast is a really good spread for a 3-star Greek B&B. There's a choice of cereals, juices, water, and tea and coffee for drinks, as well as a selection of bread and cakes available. There's a mixture of hot and cold items, including some homemade goodies like spinach and cheese pies, ham and cheese rolls, and mini apple pies, alongside the usual things like sliced ham and cheese, cucumber and tomato, boiled eggs and scrambled eggs as well. You know what? It's a decent buffet breakfast spread. Gone for a croissant. The breakfast was more than enough to set you up for a day of exploring Molyvos, which is a fantastic village. Check out my video to Molyvos at the top of your screen now. That said, Eriphilly's laid-back charm meant at times it was impossible to resist poolside lounging and the occasional dip in the pool. I'd highly recommend the Eriphilly. With its warm and welcoming atmosphere, peaceful rural setting and value for money, it's easy to see why guests return here year after year. If you've enjoyed this hotel tour, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments, have you stayed here or are you planning to in the future? Thanks for watching, see you again soon.